Hey guys, Alnisa Sharif here. I'm back with another video, and today we're going to talk about some more cash that I got in the mail. So I went to my mailbox, and and y'all know me by now. I open all my mail. That's just what I do. But as you can see, there's the date. So this just came in for me. Alright, so this is another one of my programs. This is called the Hamilton's flyer, and this is the $50 flyer. Okay, alright, so $10 goes to the admin, $40 goes to you. That's how that works with this program. Okay, alright. So I'm going to make sure that I'm covering up her info, mine as well. Okay, so there's the money. Alright, $40. Right? Okay, so I'm going to put that here. And alright, so basically how this flyer works is that you mail them out, people join. I have 3 different levels. So there's the grants, that's the $200 flyer. You have the Jacksons, that's the $100 flyer, and you have the Hamiltons, and that is the $50 flyer. So if you're interested in joining the program, let me know. Text me. All my information is down below this video, and you can email me, you can call me, you can text me. I'll get back to you, and then I'll get your own flyer so you can join the program. And once you do that, I'll give you all the resources that I use, and the hot mailing list that I'm using, so that I can keep getting these payments in the mail. It's great going to your mailbox and pulling out these bills instead of the other bills, So with that, I will see you guys in the next video. I like to keep these short, because I have a tendency to ramble on. So like my video, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any more of my money videos. I will be back with some more because I joined a couple other programs as well. So if you want to make sure you catch all that info, like my videos, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. And with that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Okay? Alright, see you later.